Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're taking a quick look at a few C-35 lathing and plastering exam questions. How many square yards of plaster will be required to plaster 15 12-foot high by 3-foot high wide decorative panels? The correct answer is D, 60 square yards. What is the recommended mixing time when using a mixer to prepare plastic Portland cement plaster for a brown coat? The correct answer is B, 3 to 5 minutes. According to OSHA, the top handrail around scaffolding should be at what minimum height? The correct answer is C, 42 inches. So these are just a few of the thousands of possible questions that are going to appear on the C-35 license exam. Understand that you'll need to know about interpreting plans and specifications, estimating material, equipment, and labor, obviously, preparing substrates, installing lathing materials, California building codes, California residential codes, gypsum construction. Obviously, personnel and job site safety is going to be a huge part of the exam. Now, 18% of the test covers planning and estimation, 22% covers lathe preparation and installation, 40% of the test is going to cover plaster, stucco preparation, installation, and repair, and then 20% will cover safety. Now, many of these questions are going to be math related too, so you definitely want to make sure that you're prepared to answer math questions quickly. Now, what we've done is we've taken the most important information on the exam, we've condensed it into a summarized Cliff Note format. You're getting everything you need to know about the lathing and plastering trade exam, exactly what you need to know in a clearly written way with examples, tons of diagrams and descriptions. And this can come in either the form of an ebook or physical study guide. You'd get online practice tests, online videos, a mathematics course designed to help you prepare for all of those math-related questions. And then, of course, all of our courses come with an application preparation tutorial and review to ensure that your application is filled out correctly before you send it off to the CSLB. Now, we've got two other videos that go a lot deeper into the C-35 license exam. You're definitely going to want to watch those. One goes a lot deeper into the law side of the test, what kind of math you can expect, the process, where you take the exam, how much it costs, everything you need to know. You definitely want to check that out. Then we got another video that just goes into a lot of the requirements, how to fill out your certification of work experience correctly, the application, the requirements, criminal records, how long the process takes in total. Definitely want to check out both of those videos. And then we've got our complete C-35 crash course that covers everything that you need to know. You can check those out in the links in the description of this video. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Like and subscribe to the channel. Again, this is digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.